So we're going to make a ring band today, made from just round wire, 2mm round wire, and it's going to be the base of eventually a bezel set ring. So we're going to work on making the band. So we've got our piece of metal. It's too long. We obviously need to work out what our length is going to be that we need to cut. So firstly, I need to measure and get my finger size. I'll try an O and we'll just see. And an O is a pretty good fit for me. So you can see on this, there's a little O. So I've got a little chart here, and this gives us all of the sizes and the lengths for those sizes. But we also have to do a little bit of maths here. So we need to measure the thickness of the metal. So it's 2mm, this is round metal, so we don't have to worry about width or depth. And then we need to multiply this piece 2mm by pi, which is 3.142, and then we need to add on the length on this little chart. So for O, it's 55. So when I do that sum, it comes to 61.2, and I'm just going to make that 61mm. I'm then measuring my piece of metal and drawing a black line at about 61mm.